Chinese laser counter-drone system launches for overseas sales. As militaries step up efforts to counter the growing threat of mass drone attacks, the defense blog spoke with China-based SKYON Capital Limited about laser systems now being developed in China and offered for export. Caius Su, chairman of the company, shared details of its high-power laser strike drone system, a ground-based directed energy weapon built to engage targets ranging from small FPV drones to larger one-way attack drones, such as the Shahid 136. The company says the system uses a layer detection and engagement setup that combines a search radar, tracking radar, high-energy laser emission module, electro-optical tracking equipment, a beam combining module, and an integrated control unit. SKYON said the system is available in configurations ranging from 1 kilowatt to 200 kilowatts of laser power and is intended for continuous low-altitude air defense missions, including protection against small multirotor drones, high-speed FPV systems, fixed-wing unmanned aircraft, and larger loitering munitions. One version of the system, 32 kilowatts, is said to engage FPV drones at distances of up to 4 kilometers, while larger targets in the Shahid 136 class can reportedly be neutralized at about 3 kilometers. The platform is also capable of charging while remaining ready to fire and is rated to operate in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius. At the heart of the system is what SKYON describes as spatial external beam combining technology, which allows multiple optical paths to be controlled separately and then merged into a single concentrated beam. The company says this improves beam quality and helps maintain effectiveness in difficult conditions such as atmospheric turbulence and high moisture. That feature is drawing attention as armed forces look for alternatives to expensive missile interceptors. Recent conflicts, particularly the war in Ukraine and repeated drone attacks across the Middle East, have shown how low-cost unmanned systems can force defenders to use far more expensive air defense munitions. In simple terms, a laser counter-drone weapon disables a target by concentrating energy on it long enough to damage critical components, such as the battery, optics, flight controller, or airframe. Unlike missiles or anti-aircraft guns, it does not rely on explosive ammunition, which can sharply reduce the cost of each interception once the system is fielded. SKYON said interest in laser-based counter-drone systems is growing among overseas buyers, including potential customers in the Arab world, as governments look for more affordable ways to defend against unmanned aerial threats. The company said its broader product range covers systems from 1 kilowatt to 200 kilowatts, with stated engagement ranges from 1 kilometer to 20 kilometers for missions including counter-UAV operations, short-range air defense, and protection of critical infrastructure. The increased focus on such systems highlights how drone warfare is reshaping air defense planning. Armed forces are increasingly building layered defenses that combine radar, electro-optical sensors, electronic warfare tools, rapid-fire guns, and directed energy weapons to protect command posts, air bases, and critical infrastructure from repeated drone incursions. SKYON did not disclose specific customers, contract values, or delivery timelines for the laser systems. Still, the company's export push points to growing international demand for laser-based air defense systems beyond China's domestic market.